Today's message brought by Archangel Raguel. Dear beings of light, today divine justice is strengthened thanks to the change many of you have made by not empowering the grays with their misinformation. With each passing day, your inner self better understands the game of creation and is destined to create paths and see light where the grays say there is darkness. By understanding that each of us is creating our reality second by second, we disregard the disinterest of the manipulators, who wish that through fear, we create more violence and unrest. Each day, we strip them of more power and focus on creating more divine justice. Many religious and political leaders can no longer control you by sowing hatred among themselves, inventing and using negative values to create inequality. United you are stronger, and with your union, you will achieve the true peace you desire. For our Creator, nothing is impossible. With the wisdom of all of you, you will cause all dark energy to lose strength, and all of us to be in harmony with the symphony of the universe. Remember that you are an unmanipulable divine soldier, with the power to discern who the dark ones are. Learn to replace fear with inner security, hate with love, and to bury your number one enemy, which is the ego. Let's return to the root, to the beginning of everything, because the future waiting for you is wonderful. Always keep this phrase in mind: all are one, and united, you are more. Repeat with me this powerful decree of protection with Archangel Raguel. In the divine and luminous presence of Archangel Raguel, I invoke your sacred light ray to descend upon me and all my loved ones. Protector of justice and harmony, I ask for your guidance and custody at every moment of our lives. Archangel Raguel, may your powerful light illuminate our paths and dispel the shadows of all injustice and evil that try to approach. Surround my loved ones with your celestial light shield and keep them away from any harm or adversity. Through your intercession, may peace and justice always be preserved, protecting each of us from human injustices. May your wisdom inspire us to always act with equity and compassion, and may your strength defend us from acts of evil. I fully trust in your protective power and your divine justice. I know that under your watch, we are safe and free from any negative influence. Thank you, Archangel Raguel, for your constant protection and for keeping all my loved ones safe. I make this decree with faith and love, knowing that it will be attended to and manifested by the highest justice of heaven. So be it. It is done. Amen. I hope that the divine light of Archangel Raguel reaches each of your hearts. With much love, I am Zoe, voice by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We care deeply for you. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.